Assalamu alaikum. So now we're going to do some practice on metric measure comparison. So let's start the practice. So first question they ask us to compare the following metric measure. So we start with the first one. So here I need to compare 452 centigram and 0.25 decagram. So what I notice is the unit measure are not the same. So I need to convert one of them to the other one. So I choose always to convert from highest to smallest. So this is decagram. That means this after decagram we have gram, decigram, centigram. So I'm going to move the dot to the point here. So that means this is the same thing as 250 centigram. So I have 452 and 250. So I compare starting from the left. From the place value, so this is the 100, this is the 100, 4 is greater than 2, that means this is the greater value. So for the next one, so I have 54 hectoliter and 64 hectoliter. So the unit measure are the same, so I just compare the number. So again I do the same thing. So this is tens, this is 6, 5 is less than 6, that means that value is less than that one. Here I have a 15 meter and 1542 centimeter. So I will convert this one to centimeter. So this is meter. So what's come after is decimeter. So I have 15. 5 is the meter, always the unit, or the ones is for the unit. The ones is always for the unit. So meter. What after meter? Decimeter, centimeter. 15 meter is 1500 centimeter. So now I compare those two because now the unit measure are the same. So the 1000 and the 1000 are equal, the 100 and the 100 are equal. This is the tens, so this is 0, this is 4 is greater, that means this value is less than that one. So 15 meter is less than 1542 centimeter. Here again, so the unit measure are not the same, so I'm going to convert hectoliter to liter. So this is my hectoliter, that means this is going to be my decaliter, liter. So that's, I'm going to move the dot to this location here. So it's going to be 11.5 liter. Now I'm going to compare the units, so the tens with the tens are the same. The ones and the ones, they are the same. 2 is greater, that means this is greater. So here they ask me to order from least to greatest, so but I have the unit measure are the same, so that means the first thing what I do, I need to convert all of them to the single unit measure. So I will choose to convert all of them to the lowest one. So the lowest one is gram, so I'm going to start with this one. So this is hectogram. What after the hectogram we have what? Decagram. And after decagram what do you have? Gram. That means I will have hectogram, decagram, gram. Now we have hectogram, decagram, gram. So I have hectogram, 5 is decagram, 2 is gram, so I put my dot and I write the remaining digit. This is kilogram. So after kilogram what do you have? We have hectogram, so hectogram, decagram, gram. So I'm looking for a gram, so I put the dot and I write the remainder. Now I have 149 gram, so this is no change. Here we have 15 decagram, so that means 15. 5 is my decagram. What's after decagram? Gram. Now I have all the measure in single unit measure. So now what I do, I compare. So most of them they are 100, so the 100 are all the same. So I'm gonna start with the tens. So they ask me from the least to greatest, so I'm gonna look for the smallest tens. So we have 6, 5, 4, 5. The smallest here is 4, so this means this is going to be the first entry. So I'm going to write it down in so it's going to be 149. So 149 is smallest. Now I'm done with this one. I'm going to move to the next one. We have 1 and 1, we have 5, we have 3, 5. So of course 0 is less than 2 and 4, so it's going to be 150 gram, which is 15 decagram. So I'm done with this. So always your answer should be in original metric measure, not the one that you convert. And now I'll move next. So this one is next because 4 is greater than 2, so I will have 1.524 hectogram. So I close this. So this one is next. So is 0.1547 kilogram, and the last one is 1.6 hectogram, and this will be my answer. The last question, so they asked me to order from greatest to least. So again, I will convert everything to the single units measure. So I'm going to choose the lowest one. The lowest one here is centimeter, so I'm going to convert everything into centimeter. So here is my meter. 9 is meter, that's means I will have 5 9. This is meter. What's after meter? Decimeter, centimeter. This is 453 decimeter, so that means 5 3. This is my decimeter. What's after decimeter? Centimeter. So this is stay the same. Here we have decameter, so it's going to be decameter. What's after decameter? Meter, decimeter, centimeter. Here we have 500 decimeter. This is decimeter. After decimeter we have centimeter. Now let's order from greatest to least. So I'm going to look for the highest place value. So here we have all of them are 1000, so the highest is 6000, so it's going to be 6.9 decameter. Now I have 5 and 5, so this 5 is less than this one is equal to 5, but here we have 9 for the 100. This is 0 for the 100. That means this is my next one, so it's going to be 59 meter. Of course this one next, so it's going to be 500 decimeter. Now what's left is those two, so this is 4 and 4 are equal, 5 and 5 are equal, 3 and 3 are equal. This is 7, this is 0, so 7 is greater than 0. That means this will be my next, which is 4 5 3 7, and this will be my last, which is 4 5 3 decimeter, and this will be my order from greatest to least. So I hope you got the idea. So please, if you have any comment, do so. It will help me a lot improve my way of teaching. And thank you, and Assalamu alaikum.